Welcome everyone. We have bought DJI Osmo 5 Action Pro. Okay, it's an action camera and it has 1.3 CMOS, object tracking, OLED dual way, 4 hours battery life, and you can also connect Bluetooth mics, and it has robust stabilization with 360. We will show you in next video. Okay. This is DJI Osmo Action 5 camera. This is standard combo which contains, I will show you, frame, this box, scanner. You can scan this and download from DJI store application, official one. Okay, then what else we have? Nothing. Okay, so this is camera. I'm opening it. It has a lens cover and some rubber cover as well. I'll keep it here. So this is DJI Action 5 Pro. This is a action camera like we have a GoPro. Okay, big display both side here also, but in GoPro you won't see this dual display. Okay. Now let's check what is in box. This is accessories. Okay, this C2C charging cable you can use also for transfer. This is a hook, you can mount it. This is a hard case cover to protect you for the camera, and this is sticker. Okay, and this is mounting, like it is magnetic one, so it can stick like this. Okay, it has magnetic. You won't feel in the video, but it's a magnetic. It's very tightly, it's not coming out. So this is a mounting magnetic one. Okay, you can stick it, and it's a very hard magnet, I would say. That's good for action recording. Now you can mount anything and plug it. So this is very good and important. This is magnetic. See, it's not falling also. So this is again DJI. This is the lens, you can see 1.3 aperture. Pick this here, and this is again mounting. If you want to mount anywhere in a backpack or cycling, you can mount it like this. You can do it. Okay, for now I'm just removing it. That's all. And this is protector. Now where is the battery? Stop. This is battery which lasts for 4 hours. The backup will be 4 hours. Okay, it is 1950 mAh. This is memory card. We have also bought ScanDix Pro version that we will show you later. You can keep it here. Okay, so how to open this? You need to slide down. Okay, and here we go. Okay, down it, press DJI English. Okay, this is touch screen also. See, it has many language. English, I don't know which one, Deutsch, German, French, Italian, Portuguese, Polish. So we will go with English. Maybe DJI will update firmware later, so it can also support more languages for now. So device name Osmo 5. Okay, fine. Slide. Okay, skip 5 times remaining. Okay, so good. And now it is asking to scan. We will scan it here. Here we go, and I think it will redirect to a Play Store. Okay, get it means it should get. Okay, downloading APK. Download in progress. Stop. This is the date setup. Okay, time, what is the time? 12:10 p.m. 24 hours. Okay, anyway, we'll change it. Okay, quick start guide, start. Shutter record button. Okay, swipe down, swipe left or right to change the shooting mode. Okay, super night, subject tracking, slow mo, time lapse, photo, taking the photos, capture, capture. So we have downloaded the application and now we need to connect. Okay, so I have opened DJI as well. So it has detected DJI Osmo 4 pipe. So clicking connect. 92. So 9276. 9276. Okay. So it has connected now. Clicking on agree. Activate Action 5 Pro. Activate your device when you connect to the first time to warranty. Time to receive warranty. Okay, next. Not authorized to access DJI info. Enable. Next. DJI information will be linked to this convenience server as a proof of warranty. Login. Okay. Let me use. So after that, activating. So this activation is needed for your warranty enablement. Okay. So DJI Care refresh, DJI Care 2-year plan. Skip. I don't want any extra, so I'm skipping for now. If you have any already purchased DJI Care, no. Get started. Shutter record button. Okay. Live. Done. Updating firmware for this. Okay. So it's loading. It has reached to 50%. It will take more time to install the firmware. I think install option is enabled. Let me install it. Okay. So now it's taken installation. So here you can see it's update in progress. Wait 2 minutes. Here also. So it has updated. Clicking here, done. You can see green one uploaded. And now device connection searching. Connect. So it has connected. Now you can see whatever you have captured. You can see here. Click there. Okay, fine, perfect. Thank you very much. Okay, so finally Action 5 is set up. Okay, good to go. And this is ScanDix memory card, micro SD for this. And as per the DJI, you should use ScanDix Extreme Pro. Okay, which is more compatible and it will be very faster while you will copy and paste from your DJI to laptop. Okay, so it has certain feature also. By the way, this is 128 GB and it can be used in any like Action Pro. Since it's a waterproof, so this device also, this memory card also contains some waterproofing. So I will show you. That has 4 elements. You can see here. It is waterproof. Okay, and temperature proof, shock proof, and X-ray proof. Why X-ray proof? Let's suppose if you have a clip and if you are going to the airport scan, and then maybe the chances of degrading or losing your video, that's why it is X-ray proof as well. So that's the sort. Now we will unpack it and plug it to the DJI. Thank you. We have cut this from the scissor and we have unlocked it. So we will use this micro SD 128 GB, which is, let's check it out where we can insert this micro SD. Okay, so here you can see this. You need to do, okay, and that's all. Thank you.